Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing us how to check our results when they come out. The JAMB exams are starting today, being the 11th of April 2019. So once you're done writing your exams, it's likely that your results will be out maybe today or the next day or the next 2 days. So you should be able to check your results when you're done writing and when it's out. So for you to be able to check it, just get onto your favorite browser. I'm using Chrome here. You can use Chrome or any browser that you wish to use. Just get to the address bar. This is the address bar. Type in www.jamb.org.ng. So that is the official website for JAMB, where you check results and do a whole lot of things. So once you type in, then this website will be open for you. Then if you look at this left pane where you have utme registration, you're going to see where they wrote where they will write check utme results. You can see what we have here is check utme mock results. You can see what we have here is check utme mock results. What you're supposed to see here when your results come out is check utme results and not mock again. You may still have all these for the people that still want to write their mock, check their mock results, and for the people that still want to write JAMB so that they'll be able to print their slip. This is where you print slip. In case if you've not printed your slip, once you get to this website www.jamb.org.ng, you can easily print your slip by clicking on this button. But when the result comes out, then you'll be able to see another button down here for check utme results. Not mock this time around, but you still have mock, then you still have it. So you click on it, then you can put in your email or your JAMB number. You should be able to see your results. Then in case if you don't see it and you want to log into your JAMB profile and see it, then you can click here to log into your profile. So let's say if the result is out, and you want to check, then when you see check utme results down here, just click on it. When you click on it, you will see a space for you to just put your JAMB reg number or email. Once you put your JAMB reg number or email here and click on check results, you should be able to see your results. Now if the button is not here and you want to check by logging into your profile, simply come here and click on create e-facility accounts through login. When you click on it, then you'll be led to a place where you can put your email and password so that you can log into your profile. You also see print result there. So these are the two ways you can use in printing your JAMB results as you write them. If you're writing your JAMB today, tomorrow, or anytime within this week and next week, make sure you get to the hall in time. Make sure you feel very confident, relax your mind. If your system is having any problem, make sure you call the attention of the hall attendants and the engineers working around so that they will help you fix you up. Don't panic, don't be afraid. When you panic and you rush, then you might not be able to get what you want. When you get there, relax, answer the subject that you are most good at. You enter the hall and you know that you know government very well. Don't go answering English and taking your time. Relax, get to the government, finish it up, get to CRS if that's the next point that you have very powerfully. Handle it first before you get to English and other subjects. Mathematics, as we all know, takes longer time for you to sort out. So it's better you head on to chemistry and biology. Make sure you finish it before you do other ones. Yeah, that's where I'll stop for now. Getting you more content in the days to come. Please hit the subscribe button if you like this video, and if you have any questions and concerns, drop it on the comment section. We also have our phone number. You can call us for any inquiries. Thank you. God bless.